In this video, I'll walk you through how to connect your DJI drone to the controller. If you find this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Connecting a DJI drone to its controller allows you to control the drone's movements and camera, ensuring smooth flight and video capture. It also enables real-time data transmission for enhanced navigation and safety. To connect your DJI drone to the controller, the first step is to power on the controller. Begin by unfolding the antennas to ensure the controller can establish a stable connection. Once the antennas are fully extended, press the power button once to initiate the process. After that, press and hold the power button for a few seconds until the controller powers on, as indicated by the lights on the controller. Next, power on the drone by pressing the power button once, followed by pressing and holding the button for a few seconds. You will notice the drone's lights flashing, signaling that it is starting up. At this point, both the drone and the controller are powered on, and they should automatically attempt to connect. The controller will search for the drone's signal and establish a connection. You can confirm the connection by checking the controller's display screen. It should show the drone's status, including signal strength, battery levels, and GPS connectivity. If the connection is successful, the connection indicator on the controller will turn solid, signaling that the drone and controller are paired and ready to fly. In some cases, if the devices don't connect automatically, you may need to manually bind the drone to the controller via the DJI app. Once connected, you can begin operating your drone and enjoying your flight experience. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.